Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through an intensive macro evaluation of Coursera, isolating whether their high-tier academic partnerships translate into a genuine resume-building career accelerator, or if their complex, escalating subscription models represent an excessive financial drain for independent learners. Positioned at the absolute peak of the massive online education ecosystem, Coursera distinguishes itself by bypassing crowdsourced, unvetted instructor marketplaces like Udemy, choosing instead to serve as a high-authority digital pipeline directly aligned with over 350 world-class global universities and dominant tech giants including Stanford, Yale, Google, Anthropic, and Microsoft. The primary structural advantage of their framework lies within their rigorous micro-credentials, professional certificates, and specialized job readiness pathways, which have expanded dramatically to deliver deep hands-on masterclasses across high-demand technical disciplines like agentic artificial intelligence engineering, data modeling, and cybersecurity. Because these tracks feature industry-backed grading rubrics and complex, mandatory peer-reviewed assignments, the final digital badges hold considerable weight with global corporate recruiters, serving as a verified, high-value signal of your technical capability during competitive interview cycles. Furthermore, for learners exploring a brand new field without initial capital, the application features an incredibly generous, fully functional free audit option, granting you completely unthrottled access to hours of streaming lectures, structural reading assets, and fundamental course syllabus timelines across thousands of elite classes without demanding a credit card up front. However, maximizing your long-term skill acquisition requires navigating a highly fragmented, frustratingly multi-layered pricing topology that can quickly drain your wallet if you fail to study their billing mechanics. While standalone certificates typically operate on a recurring monthly structure of $39 to $79, the premier option for committed users is Coursera Plus, which standardizes your financial commitments down to a fixed fee of $59 per month or a $399 upfront annual membership to unlock over 7,000 flagship programs simultaneously. Crucially, power users must be highly vigilant regarding their automatic account renewal cycles, as global consumer forums frequently highlight significant administrative friction, including sudden, unexpected subscription renewals after trial periods and complex multi-click cancellation loops that can catch part-time students off guard. Additionally, you must recognize that their credit-bearing master track structures and official remote university degrees are kept completely isolated from the standard Coursera Plus umbrella, requiring entirely separate, highly steep tuition payments that can easily climb into thousands of dollars. Ultimately, if you are a highly disciplined professional, developer, or digital creator who needs structured, elite institutional validation to aggressively pivot your career path or scale your specialized engineering toolkits, the incredible density of their portfolio delivers an unmatched return on investment. Evaluate your exact weekly hours available for deep, rigorous studying. Decide whether you require an officially accredited corporate credential over loose, unstructured tutorials, and leverage this premium educational hub to perfectly engineer your future professional mobility. Subscribe the channel for more videos.